National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Fire Island Inlet, New York out 20 nautical miles, New York Harbor, until 7:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over Sandy Hook, moving east at 40 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The strong thunderstorm will be near Rockaway Inlet around 6:30 p.m. Entrance to New York Harbor around 6:45 p.m. Barnum Island, Island Park, and Middle Bay around 6:50 p.m. Jones Beach around 7 p.m. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.